Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Mike and today I'm installing a DRL with turn signal kit from AliExpress that costed me around 10 bucks. To make it quick, it's worth it and the installation is relatively simple depending on the car. Inside the package there were 2 LED strips and a tiny paper with the most simplified instructions ever. The LED strips have a blue adhesive sticker so you can attach the strip to your car conveniently. The strip seems to be waterproof and it has an integrated decoder, so it's pretty much plug and play. Before the installation you can test the LED strips by connecting the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery and then test the daytime light by connecting the red line to the positive terminal of the battery. To test the turn signal you do the same, just connect it to the positive terminal of the battery. Once everything was tested it was time to place the LED strip on top of my headlights. This would normally be an extremely easy task on most cars, unfortunately that is not the case for the 8th edition Honda Civic, where if I want to remove the headlights I have to remove the front bumper and I really didn't feel like it. My out-of-the-box solution probably took as long as if I actually removed the front bumper, but I'm stubborn as hell, so I stood my ground. After the LED strips were placed, it was time to connect the black wire to the battery and then add an extra wire to both turn signals. This would once again be super easy in a normal car. That was not the case here, where you need to remove way too much stuff just to reach the turn signal light bulb. Now that we have a wire for each of the turn signals, it's just a matter of connecting it to the respective yellow wire from the decoder, and that's it for the turn signal lights. For the daytime light, the one-page manual just tells you to connect the red wire to the car ACC fuse, or accessory power. This is pretty much what switches the power to the car stereo and cigarette lighter and so on, so it only stays on when the car is running. If you do have easy access to that fuse, then go ahead and connect the wire to it, and it's as simple as that. If you don't have easy access to that fuse, then my advice is to get a daytime running light relay. They also cost around 3 bucks on AliExpress, and you just have to connect that to the battery, then the controller to the red wire that comes out of the decoder. I ended up just getting an extra relay since I didn't find an easy access to the ACC fuse from the engine compartment and didn't feel like passing more cables. Once those 3 wires were connected and hidden, the job was done. I am quite satisfied with the final result and I definitely recommend this. On a final note, I left the car running for a while to test if the strip gets hot, as the manufacturer claims. It indeed does not generate too much heat. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, and the only missing point is the lack of an integrated daytime running light relay. Everything else is perfect, especially for the price. And that's all folks, hope you enjoyed this little installation and demo video. Thank you very much for staying around and I'll see you next time.